Okay, graphing points on a coordinate plane. Now, a couple things you need to remember is that your x-axis is the one that's going across the bottom. It is going horizontal this way. Second point you need to know is that your y-axis is on the side, and it's going up and down. And then where those two meet, that happens right in the middle, like right over here, that's called your origin. And technically, that is at the point 0, 0. Also, they separate the x-axis and the y-axis by like a little comma, and they usually put it in parentheses, not all the time, but normally they do. And whenever it comes to like most elementary school stuff, 3rd, 4th, 5th grade, you're gonna be focusing in this quadrant over here where all your numbers are positive, which would technically be your first quadrant. But whenever you get to older grades, you will have to deal with quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. But just for today, as an introductory lesson, we're going to focus on quadrant 1, where we're going to be given 4 numbers, and we're going to graph them. Now remember, in all of these, your first number is your x-axis, which is this one, and your y-axis is this one over here. So you got to think, whenever you see the numbers, the first number is your x, the second number is your y. We're going to graph it in different colors. So for the first problem, we have 2, 3. So that means we go over 2 at the bottom. So 1, 2, and then we go up 3. So our red dot would go here, and that represents 2, 3. Our blue dot, 5, 4, we go over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and whenever they kind of meet, which is about right here, just try to get as close as you can get. That would be over 5 and up 4. Our next one we'll do in green is 3, 2, so we go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and we go up 2, and that's 3, 2. Our last one, pause the video and see if you can kind of guess where that light blue would be. Okay, now that you paused it, look, you go over 1 and you go up 1. Shouldn't have made it so dark. Over 1 and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And where those kind of intersect is over here. 1, 4. Just remember, key thing is that your x's go side to side, your y's go up and down. You graph your x's first, then you graph your y's, and then you are all done.